Okay guys, let's build the launcher. Okay, you'll need your parents to help you on this step because it requires cutting the pipe, and I don't want you guys to do that yourself. Please have an adult help you do this, okay? So you need PVC cutters. They will need PVC cutters or a hacksaw, and we need at least, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet of pipe. Okay, so we have a 3-foot piece, and then we have 4 1-foot pieces, 12 inches each, and then we have 2 end caps. Remember, it's 1/2-inch pipe, so these are 1/2-inch caps. A 1/2-inch cross piece where I can put pipes in 4 different ways, and I need a 90-degree elbow, again 1/2-inch pipe. Okay, so when your parents help you do this, they're also going to use PVC cement. You can use the kind that does the priming all at once, right? This is a combination cement, but a lot of times people have the primer, which is purple, and then they have clear cement that they put on after the primer. This one has it both in one, so I don't need to do primer, but again, that's for your parents to do because this stuff is highly toxic, flammable, and dangerous. So let your parents do the cutting and the cementing. Okay, but here's how they'll do it, and you make sure they do it right. Okay, here you have your long 3-foot pipe, and then you put on the cross piece, okay, with the cement already there. And then you would put cement on this one and put this one in. Okay, an extension. And now we're going to use 2 more of these 1-foot extensions to make a T shape. It's probably best to do this outside so that there's ventilation for the fumes, because this has lots of fumes. Okay, and now I just need to put my end caps on. These parts that go out to the side are to support it. Okay, and those would be cemented on. These are cemented in. Now we're ready to put our elbow on. So we put the elbow on. Okay, and then we put a piece, another 1-foot piece here. And that's the piece we will use to launch rockets with. So we set the rocket there. Now we'll be able to insert the pipe into the 2-liter bottle. In the 2-liter bottle that's empty and clean, we'll use that to launch rockets with. I just gave it a little tap. Outside you'll use your foot and stomp on it, and your rockets will launch really high. So stay tuned for our next video, and I'll show you guys how my family uses this to launch rockets outside when it's not raining. Okay? Thanks guys.